The violent conflict, which erupted on May 2023, has claimed many lives and has left many individuals injured and maimed. Watham Sanatombi, who sustained injuries during a drone bombing attack at Imphal West District, Senjam Chirang, on September 2024, continues to live an uncertain life after the incident. SKTV News brings you a special report.
Women and children are the most affected in any conflict. The conflict in Manipur, which erupted in May 3, 2023, has devastated many families. It has not only claimed innocent lives, but also maimed various people due to severe injuries. Watham Sanatombi was a victim who sustained severe injuries in an unfortunate drone attack that took place at Senjam Chirang on September 2024. She sustained serious injuries from the bomb splinter, and the hospital where she was treated had declared dim chances of her survival. However, she miraculously survived, but now she had to live with lifelong injury. Before the unfortunate incident, she used to support her family by engaging in weaving activities, but now she is unable to take up any hard activities that require strength and remains helpless.
Thibong chiri aigi pukche palaga thibong chiri ni pura mapanda pai thoga leirameba adu leiramaganjida khudna marakanda dumai leiramaganjida khudai ama taraga phi ama na taraga yesalaga dumai taraga hospital da chatpaneba aina lies ningbase kala digi iblaiga loina ninge amta kan biyo ai thawai kan biyo hana ana Soba matungidadi kari mata tawba ngamdre khongju sidaraga aba ama tawge harasu ngamdreba person tawra matungida mu pharadrana khalaga adagi mu tha khuting adom pukhalaga mim leiramnina kumlena oina adugi makongda admaina adum naba hawraga leire hujiti mayamni mateng habidusu karisu koina ngamna hona saramni mayamni mateng ju dukana di pangame hujiti mu pangmudo pangtrabanina koina ngamna bodi hona jare hona hamna wabudu oireba aina ju mayam wabudu uraga ima baba nana hoina wabu mayam do uraga kan mategi pangmu ngamde ayu karino tawisibo aibo panganje som sonjam je hele toina dam naraga leirapnina mayam pulaga mayam minaktilaga pulaga thabak su ngamadra mayam punma ngamadra ana khalomane ma adu so matungidadi karimta tawba ngamdre hana ina tawramiba mayam do
In the initial stage, Sanatombi received treatment through assistance provided by government, CSO, and other individuals. But at the moment, her family is struggling to meet the expenses for her treatment as she continues to suffer weak health. Her parents and her brother are making all efforts to give her all the possible help, and this has created huge burden to the family of the victim. People from her locality have expressed sorrow on the suffering and hardship of Sanatombi and her family, but they cannot make much contributions financially as they are also from the economic poor background.
Magi mama mapasisu thabak subangam magi sigi condition jina makong thabaya de yengwadadi mai mamai se kem tawdaba malagasu ma adum hoba sabaya daba warningba magi laina mapuoga masi hingni haibasu hajadabagi condition da leireba hujikse aduga magi makhada leiba manaw nupa sina afang wa nongmagi hajira sujaraga imungche puri baneba jangwana khoina pangjeluba sungamde khoina hogi pamjeriba sina hogi magi sumaida sum hingaga sahi manga tarasigi sibasu heksida de hingbasu yada pat laibase masigi damakta sarkar gi site gi oiro ranai NGO ro organization oiragasu magi sanaba simpham mama sanagadaba maga NGO gi oiragasu simpham mama tang pibiraga sarkar gi job nasu phai adu natragasu magi hingba yaba amatang di masi pamjai.
For camera person Amarjit Kunjamayum and Olivia Takhilambam, SKTV News.